Hi there, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at this NOCO GENPRO onboard battery charger. This is an AC to DC smart charger that's going to quickly charge and maintain up to 3 12-volt batteries. This is going to be completely sealed and it's got a waterproof design with an IP rating of 68, so it is fully submergible. So it's going to be great for your marine applications. It's even tested to resist saltwater corrosion, so it's going to fit a wide variety of uses, including for your boats, trolling motors, generators, electric vehicles, and industrial equipment. So lots of different options for this, depending on where you're needing it. This is going to have multiple battery profiles, so it's going to allow you to charge up a variety of battery types. So on each of these 3 connectors for our batteries, we've got an option for your 12 volt mode, and that's going to be for your normal batteries like your wet cell, gel cell, enhanced flooded, maintenance free, and calcium batteries. Then you've got your AGM 12 volt, so that's for your AGM batteries, and then your 12 volt lithium ion. If you are using a lithium ion battery, you will need to have a battery management system, but you're going to have those modes for all those different kinds of batteries. And then we're also going to have a force mode, which is going to allow us to charge batteries that are below 1 volt. So it's going to help us to kind of manually override the safety limits to get those really low batteries charged up again. We also have a recovery mode that's going to help repair old stratified and sulfated batteries. So if your battery's not as healthy as it could be, that repair mode will help to get that back up and operational and at full capacity again, or at least an improved capacity. This does have a multi-stage charging algorithm that's going to charge your batteries up 2 times faster than your traditional chargers without overcharging the batteries. So it's going to analyze your battery's condition to provide that custom charge so that it's meeting the needs of the battery. It's got a built-in battery desulfator that's going to help restore lost battery capacity for your battery. So it's going to make sure that your batteries are nice and healthy, and you've got that option for the different kinds with each of these connections. So if you, for some reason, you have 3 different kinds of batteries, you can switch those modes independently. So lithium battery here, an AGM there, a wet cell, whatever the case may be, you can switch that up to accommodate different kinds of batteries. You can see this does have these backlit indicators on here. This is going to help signal your unit's charge status. So those bars there will show you if you're 25%, 50%, 75, and 100% charged with those little indicators across the top there. It's also going to allow you to see your charge mode. So those different modes that I was talking about, those will light up depending on which mode you're in, and it will also alert you to any potential performance issues with these indicators down here. So whether it's your battery voltage is too low to be detected, or if the voltage is too high for your selected mode and you need to switch to a different one, or if there's a short in the battery or the cables are connected wrong, you've got a reverse polarity issue, or if the unit temperature is either too high or too low, you're going to get those indicators there for each of these so that you can see what's going on, what's wrong, and get that fixed. This will connect to your batteries with these 3/8 inch eyelet connectors. These are going to provide nice maximum amount of contact with your terminal, so you're going to have a nice solid connection. Each one is also going to have a 15 amp fuse built in to help protect your electronics from any overloads. Each cable is about 72 inches long, so you'll have a little bit of reach there to get those connected to your batteries. Our AC cable will just plug right into your normal wall charger. It's got a 72-inch cable length as well, so you can get that plugged in. There's also an option to pick up a port that will allow you to get this mounted on your boat or the side of your trailer, whatever it may be, wherever you're planning on using this. That AC port will be more of a permanent installation so that you can get that mounted on the outside. So then all you have to do is run an extension cord from your wall in your garage or wherever it is you're storing your unit, and then plug it into the outside there rather than having to open it up, run that extension cord in, or what have you. Very easy to get connected if you have that port, which is sold separately, but a nice little add-on in my opinion. As far as our dimensions go, our unit here is right about 10.5 inches long, approximately 8 3/4 of an inch wide. When I measured that, I measured how much room you're going to need for your cables here, because obviously you don't want them to be bent at too sharp an angle, but you are going to need a little bit of room for those. So from about this edge of the cable here out to the edge of the unit, it's about 8 3/4 of an inch. And then our thickness, we're just shy of 3 inches, so about 2 7/8 of an inch. They do have channels here so that you can get this mounted. They include a couple of screws so that you can get that mounted in place. So very nice option here if you have 3 batteries that you're wanting to get charged up independently. This is going to be a great system for you. So that's going to complete our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.